Hey, hi Bangalore, Namaskara. This is Suman from Dr. Avery sir. So today I came up with an commercial theaters amplifier, like it's an DSI 1000. It's a low wattage amplifier itself, like nearly per channel we can expect 400 to 400 to 500 watt, that too in impedance balanced only. So today we came up with an amplifier, like there is no sound output and there is a multiple issue. First step is like there is no power. Second step is when system turns on, there is no directly it's showing a pink noise. Usually in AV receiver category we called a test tone. So in AV receiver category we call test tone. When we select the test tone, the complete speaker, like a particular speaker, will make a hissing noise, like some distortion or whatever, the test tone will come. So that same part in the commercial theater or premium category, like a professional category, we call pink noise. So that is directly it's triggering the pink noise. That is what the main issue, these two issues here. So power related we have restored, and now the DSP, like whatever the sound related issue also restored. So now I have connected oscilloscope, multimeter, and our track also is playing. Just will show the thing. See, this is what the amplifier. So I will increase the volume. Just listen the sound of it.
Happens for a reason, to make us stronger.
So this is what we have done the restoration actually, friends. So commercial theater amplifier. So in my Dr. AV receiver there is a few models, like commercial theaters, studio monitor speakers, Marshall, KRK, Genlac. These are all common. And in the local segment there is one brand, Boat and Zebronic, that you people know about that. So this is what today's restoration of this particular amplifier. So kept on test mode, so everything, that values, bias, everything is perfect. So compared to this and AV receiver, there is a lot of difference. So in that, if you required, for that we'll do a separate video, like a comparison between what is the difference between power amplifier, like a theater amplifiers, and our AV receiver. There is a lot of difference between output pressure and all. So this is enough, I think, friends. Thank you one and all. Bye bye.